Comments on this statement, yeah, like 7 million state, yeah, to support Razik, yeah, because I don't know about the problem of Razik Habib, yeah, but I just know it, but I don't follow it. Thank you.
Alright, got it? Alright, any question?
Teman FPI.
Yeah, because sometimes it's hard to communicate because this is, yeah, it needs like English specific purpose related
Yeah.
to the law language English. Yeah. Sometimes I cannot explain
Yeah.
because I don't have a lot of words related to the law.
Yeah,
This is
the law.
about the law or democracy or the like.
Just because we are education, English education, that's why I don't know
because
what
we are
law is
from
the thing, right?
So that's why I cannot explain a lot. But actually I have a lot of idea, but it's really hard to release it.
Yeah. This is the hard vocabulary for us
Yeah.
because we are not law education. We are not in education. That's why it's totally hard for us. Alright, so I mean, you have question about
Thank
that? Yeah.
Any questions? So far so good?
Yeah, it's okay. So far very good. Let's go home.
Okay. So
Right.
maybe last thing that I want to share to you. Okay, use the social media. Use your own social media properly. Don't use it as the celebgram or something like you search for to be famous or you want to campaign something. Yeah, because a lot of crime also from social media.
Allah.
Careful.
Be careful.